Faith is pretty much everything that we've got, because we grew up with it in our family. Every one of us comes from a religious background. You grow up with it, so when you play sports, you go with it. We don't have much of other countries that have. But one thing we make up for it is we make up in faith, because we believe that God is everything in our life, and without God, we cannot do anything. And with God, we lack nothing.
One, two, three. Next, go!
Their real love is Sevens. It's the team that they think belongs to the islands, because the players all come from the islands that play in that, and they're not picked from overseas. And so the tournaments that you go to are just crazy. If I improve them 5%, that would probably be enough from where they currently were to where they can be.
Ball!
Good ball, Leo.
Hands up, hands up, hands up! Go on, play it! Play it!
At the moment, you know, they've been brilliant, and they're like sponges. They're so keen to learn, and they've been an absolute pleasure on the field.
Great ball, Semi.
Okay, the team is here.
Go.
We were part of a doctor school programme and a doctor country programme for the schools, where we come into Stephen Shaw Elementary School here in Vegas, and they've done a lot of work about learning more about Fiji, and it culminated in our visit today, so it's been great.
So have you got anyone here that wants to be hoisted up? Oh, you got your hand up real quick, so let's get you up, let's get you up.
They love talking about Fiji because they're passionate about it, and you've seen in their singing, you know, they're very good at it as well. And it gives, I guess, the guys here today a little slice of what the culture's like in Fiji. A lot of fans like watching Fiji, and that's, I guess, why the boys love travelling around the world, because they like to show what they do at home all around the globe.